This is the crystal dice tower. Throw the dice in it and they will go down the spiral swing stairs. In a few seconds, they will make a random dice roll. While going down, the dice make a pleasant rustling sound, and you'll want to throw them again, and again, and again. The dice tower is made of transparent acrylic material, which allows you to see the sacrament of a perfect dice roll. To assemble the dice tower, you won't need any glue. Just put together the fragile parts very carefully, as it is described in the instruction. To install the stairs, you will need the special tweezers. When the dice tower is ready, you can use it as a stopper for the pouring dice. But be careful and don't drop the crystal dice tower, otherwise the fragile parts may break and fate may turn its back on you. This dice tower is ideal for Catan or any other board game where a throw of a few dice is needed. The crystal dice tower is as eternally multifunctional as your fantasy. It is ideal for anti-stress practice and meditation. Take a few dozens of dice and throw them one by one. Listen to the whisper of the crystal petals and it will make you thrill for a whole day. This whisper will remind you of the sleigh gliding over the boundless snowy land at the impenetrable polar night. Второго дубля не будет. Покажи мне, что это было.